Well, look at that, what a mess. That is what you get when trying to get into one of Texas Jim's challenge locks, and I just punched right through one of his Dorma. This is the third time I've succeeded in getting into it, and we are going to try to do it one more time. That is the bidding on the key. It's a Schlag key, C4. Locked up, it works. And I'm going to use the pick that I succeeded in opening it up with, and it's the Sparrow's High Reach, I think it's called. No, it's a deep hook, 15 thousandths. Deep hook. Alright, let's see what we can do. Number 6. Clicking about. Yep. 5. 4 seems to be set, or it's very solid. Slight kind of rotation. I got a click from it, but I think I've overset. So back to number 6. He's up on the tension. 5. 6. All right. What's that? Number 2. And 1. Feels solid. Back on 6. Click on number 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. Very light tension. And number 1. And we got into it. So, alright. Now let's see if we can get inside of it. Remove the clip. Like that. Maybe. Tweezers. Okay, let's go. Number 6, we have a standard. I didn't expect that. 5, a standard. Looks like a key pin in the top. 4 is a standard. 3, a standard. 2, another standard. 1, another standard. Okay. The key pins are standard, 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 and standard. How about that? I did not expect this. And the core seems to be a standard core. Nothing funny about that. This is a standard lock. No threading. Whatever. Wow. I didn't expect that. And this was kind of difficult to get into, but there we go. Dorma Precision Engineering. I bet has a lot to do with it. All original springs, it seems. And obviously they can be difficult to get into, even though they're all standards. Look at that. Beautiful. Anyway, Texas Jim, thank you for the lock. This Dorma rim cylinder. And over to the next one. Thanks for watching and see you soon.